This is Njambiz Tutorials, and today I want to show you how to pre-save template responses for your Facebook and Instagram messages for your business. Now, sometimes you get similar messages that require an auto response, so to speak, a template response for all of them. For example, if you run an ad and a lot of people are asking if you have jobs, you can use a template response to respond to those messages, and you don't want to type that out every time. So that's what I'm going to show you today, how to just have a template response for frequently asked questions. So first, you're going to navigate to the page, the specific business page you want to set this up for. That's where we are on Facebook, and I will assume that you have linked your Facebook and Instagram page. If you haven't, you can check out how to do that on my YouTube channel. So navigate to the page. On the left hand side, scroll to the bottom, you'll see Meta Business Suite. We'll click on that and go to that platform. And once you're on Meta Business Suite, navigate on the left side. You'll see the menu. Navigate to inbox right here. Should be about the third item. Click on inbox. Okay, here we go. So I'll just select one of the messages, and then on reply, you'll see here insert at the very bottom where you type out your response. You'll see a message icon which is labeled insert saved reply. So you'll click on that, and this is the pop-up you'll get, saved replies. So there are those frequently used, the template responses there already, and you can always delete this if you don't want this around, or you can edit them to better customize them to your needs, or you can just add a whole new saved reply template response. So I've clicked add new. Then you can see the first thing is add a shortcut. So a shortcut is a small text that you can type out in your response, which will quickly pull up that template message. So let's call this job, for example. Then we'll type out the message we want to auto send, and you can customize this message. Let me show you just quickly by addressing the person you're responding to. For example, we can say dear. Then at the very bottom, you'll see this 3 stars. Are they stars, diamonds, or whatever? As you can see, add personalization. Click on that. Then you can select how you want to personalize. Do you want to insert their first name, their last name, or their full name? Let's select full name and add, and then the rest of the response. So once I've typed out my message and I'm happy with it, I can save it. You can also add a photo to this pre-saved message if you want. Maybe if you're talking about a specific offer, you can add the photo to that if anyone is asking for more details for specific offers and you don't want to keep repeating the details. You can always do that. Type out the details, add a photo, and then pre-save. Whenever someone asks that question, you can just send that message template. So there we go. I will click save, and now it's part of the pre-saved messages. So when I want to send this out, let's say I've gotten my message, I'll just come here. Easy way to pull it up is write job, and as you can see, it comes up. I will select that and send. And there we go. As you can see, it's personalized. I sent it to myself. I had sent a message to make this easy for you guys. So I sent it to myself, and you can see it's personalized. Dear Njambiz. This message was sent from Instagram, by the way. So you can respond to both Facebook and Instagram messages and comments through the same platform on Meta Business like this. So as you can see, it's personalized. Dear Njambiz, and then the response right there. So you don't have to keep typing out the exact same response for different queries about the same thing. And that is it, guys. That is how you pre-save a template response for Facebook and Instagram, and you can respond to this through Meta Business, and you can save as many as you need. You can customize as many as you need, and then put in shortcuts so that they're easy to pull up. So I hope this video was informative. If it was helpful, if you learned something today, if you're going to be able to use this, please give it a big thumbs up. Give it a big thumbs up, like the video. It really supports the channel. You can also share with someone who might find this helpful. Share widely, and as always, let me know what you think in the comment section below about that. Do you have any questions regarding this? Is there anything specific you want to see about digital marketing tips, tricks, and tutorials on this platform? Leave them in the comment section below, and I will do a video. If you have a query, something you want to learn how to do, let me know in the comment section and I will do a video for you. And thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. It is absolutely free to subscribe. It supports my channel, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.